Today we're showing you a New Holland T4.105 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 665 TL quick attach front loader. The tractor has just over 1,800 hours on it. Has 106 horsepower. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. It's got the skid steer style bucket connection up front here. Front bucket does have a little bow in the bottom. It's bowed up in the center. Did take several pictures of that, so be sure to take a look at that. Front grill guard, paint's in really nice shape on the tractor and loader. Front work lights and mirrors on the cab. Front fenders. Tractor has the Michelin Agri Rib radial front tires and rear tires, which barely show any wear. Has the two sets of rear wheel weights, two entry doors, with the work lights and the rear wiper on the cab. A little bit of a scuff here on the fender, very minor. This tractor is one of the Italian tractors. Most of these 4.105s were built in Turkey. This tractor was built in Italy. This is a better version of these tractors. Has the 540 and 1000 PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. We're looking for a clean 4.105. This tractor is in very nice shape. It's got quite a few options on it. Inside the cab looks just like the exterior. It's got the full air ride seat here for the operator, buddy seat here to the left, cup holder in the console here. This tilt steering wheel, left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. To the right here you've got your main transmission stick. You got 3 ranges and the short lever there. Up top you've got the 4-speed and an H pattern, which is synchronized. Also have the loader control here within easy reach. The console you've got your hydraulic levers, PTO engagement, 4-wheel drive and differential switches. 3-point control here to the right. On the post here you've got your work lights in the cab, climate controls, radio up top. Also has the visibility roof and the roof here. Rearview mirror. Very clean tractor, as you can see. This tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery, so you can buy with confidence. We also take trades and offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.